Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. Vanguard Personal Advisor Services offers financial planning and investment management services to individuals. Its main purpose is to help clients build and manage their investment portfolios, offering personalized advice tailored to their financial goals and risk tolerance. Key features include portfolio management, financial planning guidance, and access to financial advisors. Their website provides details on their various service tiers and associated fees. Vanguard positions itself as a low-cost provider with transparent pricing, emphasizing no hidden fees. They utilize a combination of technology and human advisors, providing a hybrid approach to wealth management. Availability is generally nationwide for those meeting their minimum investment requirements. You can check their website for eligibility and details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The online onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to connect my existing accounts quickly. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed my portfolio allocation, performance, and upcoming financial milestones. I particularly appreciated the detailed performance reports, which were easy to understand and provided valuable insights into my investment strategy. I found the advisors responsive and helpful. I had a quick question about tax loss harvesting, and my advisor responded with a clear explanation within 2 business days via email. I was really impressed by how clearly they explained complex financial concepts. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. However, the website is responsive and works well on my phone. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. While the advisory fee is slightly higher than some robo-advisors, the personalized attention and expert guidance justify the cost for me, especially as my portfolio size grows. That's my overview of Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.